Let us see data types in R. A data type is a classification that specifies which type of value variable has and what type of mathematical, relational or logical operations can be applied to it. So there are many data types in R. So one of them is vectors. Let's start with vectors. A vector is an object that contains a set of values called its elements. Let's create a vector. Print the vector. To add more than one elements in a vector, use concatenate or combine operator C. Let's create a vector using C. So this comma is used to separate two different elements of a vector. Let's print Z. Here in this case, now whenever you create a variable, all the variables will be stored here in the global environment in this case. To find the square root of a vector, you have to use sqrt function. In this case, after applying sqrt function, you will get the square root of each and every vectors differently. If you want to store this result somewhere, so let's create a vector y and just give this an allocation sign. So let's print y. All the square root of z is stored in y. To find absolute values, we'll first create a vector with some negative values in it. So I have created a vector b to find the absolute values. So you can use the absolute function, or you can call it as abs of b. Here the value is stored and you will get all the negative values are removed. If you want to store the result, okay, let's create another vector c. A new vector c is created and you can see the updated values over here. You can even update values of b directly by using b, and the values of b is updated and all the negative values are removed. Let's try with some vector addition. Whenever two vectors are of same length, R simply performs operation element by element. If vectors are of different length, R recycles shorter vector until it is same as longer vector. Let's try this. Plus, try to execute this command. So now in this case, since the 0, C, 0 and 10 is a shorter vector, so it will recycle with the longer vector. So in this particular scenario, 1 is added with 0, 2 is added with 10, 3 is added with 0 and 4 is added with 10. If the length of shorter vector does not divide evenly to length of longer vector, R will still apply recycling method, but it will throw a warning. Let's try with the same equation over here. I'll just add a new number. Here you will get a warning message. It will say longer object length is not a multiple of shorter object length, but it will still execute. So in this case, 1 is added with 0, 2 is added with 1, 3 is added with 10, and again 4 is added with 0.